In today's video, I'm going to talk about Seedance 2.0. I haven't had a lot of experience with it, but with little experience I've had, I can tell you already, it is absolutely mind-blowing. I hate to use the word game changer, but the truth is, nothing even comes close to Seedance 2.0. Here are some quick examples of a few things I've created, and then I'll explain how I got a hold of Seedance 2.0 and my overall thoughts of using it. Pretty incredible, am I right? And if that didn't blow your mind, we'll get a load of this. That entire video was created with just using 2 images and a prompt. I used this image and this image. Both images were made in Midjourney. Inside of Seedance 2.0, I simply typed, make the girl and the old man have an epic lightsaber battle. Have the girl win. That was really it. I made about 4 or 5 generations, and then I just stitched it together so I can make this quick example for you guys. Now, I don't know where you're watching this video, but inside the US, where I'm located, Seedance 2.0 is not available. So how did I get a hold of it? I used 2 platforms. The first, and my least favorite, is a platform called YouArt, spelled Y-O-U-A-R-T. After you sign up, you then have to request access via a Google Doc on their website. It then takes a few days via email before you get accepted. Using this platform, I created several videos like this one. Or this one inside a bedroom. I was blown away at how well it followed the prompt. However, my experience using the site was just okay. I also created this cyberpunk video with mixed results. Some of my generations were amazing, others not so much. I also had a hard time getting videos to generate at all. I ran into a ton of error codes stating copyright issues. Then there's my second option, HeyGen. That's right, HeyGen allows you to use Seedance 2.0 on their platform. But don't go sign up right now, because it's no longer available. For whatever reason, it was only available for 1 day. It just so happened that I got lucky and came across it when it was available. I didn't run into any issues when generating videos out of HeyGen. Everything worked exactly the way I wanted it to. I even used my images that looked a lot like Star Wars characters with no copyright issues. Now that I've seen what Seedance 2.0 can do, I'm gonna have to get a hold of it. I'm assuming if I get a VPN, then I should be able to get a hold of Seedance 2.0. I'll let you guys know. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the samples I showed you guys. May the force be with you. And like always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!